Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tepo, back again with another analysis video. So please do me a favor, hit the like button there, subscribe, and follow with me for today's analysis. Starting with the Dow Jones as normal, it almost feels like I've been saying the same intro the whole week. We are still in level 3. They haven't yet broken last month's high, so until they do that, I still expect them to drop down and give us 2, maybe 3 levels of drop. When we look at let's see what the H4 tells us. The H4 kind of explains the uptrend. This could be a continuation of the long-term trend, which is, as you can see here, we're in level 1 consolidation. So we do expect it to go up from here. But when we look at this week's movement, or let's just say our chart, I do still expect them to stop hunt a high and drop. However, if they do fail to reverse from there and instead break this level, it will mean that this will become our new anchor, meaning that we'll have had one level of rise from this point right here. So we'll just keep monitoring. What I will do is that I'll be expecting price to go short here, yesterday's high and yesterday's low. Yesterday's high and last month's high, expecting a stop hunt high from there to go short. However, if price comes here and shows clear bullish sentiment, I will be looking to take a continuation pattern going long. Moving over to Nasdaq has continued going up. I think now I count 4, maybe even 5 levels of rise. I still have the same expectation. I expect Nasdaq to reverse for the week, especially because I haven't seen any reset behavior. Even if this was the beginning of a new trend, a new level count, we still be in level 3 right now. So either way, I expect them to reverse from this point here. So I'll be looking to take shorts, but the same principle applies. If price comes up here and gives me clear bullish signs, I will be looking to take a continuation pattern there, and maybe take it all the way to the ADR high. Of course, I'll be watching for any reversal signs, but most likely to take it to the ADR high. GBP/USD, we're still in the same place in terms of level count. We're still in level 2 consolidation. Yesterday, they did rise out of here. Actually, if you followed through yesterday's video as well, you might have been able to take a position from here, or even a continuation, because it played out exactly as we would have preferred or expected, at least. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's any way we can take a long from today, because our point of interest is all the way by the ADR low, and there's no way actually to take a position, so we won't be able to go long here. But I do expect GBP/USD to go higher and break last week's high, maybe even reverse for the end of the week. But more important, I just expect them to at least complete their level count for this week. Moving on to, let me just close this, seeing that there will be no trade there. Moving on to Euro/USD, just about the same thing. Also yesterday gave a nice trading opportunity. Hopefully you were able to make some money from this, take some pips, because there was quite a lot on the table. I do expect them to go up as well, just like GBP/USD. Expect them to break the previous week's high, maybe even end the day there, but definitely break it, or break our psychological resistance here. If we look at our ADR low, it is quite far. So if we got a sharp stop hunt down here, then we can definitely take a long from here. However, just like the others, if price does get all the way down here and gives us bearish sentiment, I might, if it has to be high probability setup, I might take a short all the way down here. But if anything, primarily I'm looking to take a long position from here. Again, that's if we get a strong bullish signal. Also, if price does come up here actually to yesterday's high and gives a buying opportunity in the form of a continuation pattern, then I'll definitely be looking to go long there as well. AUD USD, I expect them to continue short. We're still in level 2 consolidation. Yesterday they basically just moved during the Asian session and then just spent the whole day in the rest of the day in the consolidation. So I'll be expecting them to continue their drop for one more level, just to complete their cycle, and then before we can look for any reversal patterns. Unfortunately, I don't have a point of interest that we can trade from. So I will be staying out of this, but I definitely expect them to drop price a little bit further. USD CAD, I expect to short here. The level count doesn't really look pretty, I'll be honest. Basically, we're in level 4 consolidation here. It could be, yeah, there could be going in any direction from this point. Actually, it's level 2 consolidation, pardon me, from here, but it is kind of behaving as a level 3 if you consider the early levels as well. Moving over to the H1, like I said, it's not giving me much joy here. This looks like a peak formation low, but this also looks like a peak formation high, so it could be in either direction, but I am looking to go short. If I get a stop hunt high here, I will definitely take it short from there going down. That's the only position basically I'll be looking to take on USD CAD, and because it's so unclear, I will only entertain high probability setups here. Dollar Swiss franc has given me 2 levels of drop, and then they did what they came back to the level 2 peak. However, they have dropped price again. This could act as a peak formation. However, since we still have this one here, the current one is still level 2 consolidation, so I expect to short here. Unfortunately, yesterday's highs are way too high. It's too close to the ADR high, so a position in this direction, a reversal at this point, isn't very likely, if at all possible. So yeah, nothing to trade in that front. I'm just gonna monitor price there just to keep a level count. If anything, I could take a continuation pattern there from yesterday's low. If they get down there and give me a clear pattern for continuation, then I'll definitely take a position there. And then finally, S&P 500, staying with the same theme of Nasdaq. Really, we have had 5 levels of rise now. None of them could have actually been a reset level, so I still expect them to reverse. Yesterday's high is there as a point of interest, so I definitely expect price to come up here. If there is a reversal pattern here, a strong one, I'll definitely take a short off of here. Let me see. Continuation all the way down there is a little too dangerous. Yeah, it's too close to ADR low, so I will not take a continuation pattern over here, but I'll definitely be looking to take it for a reversal right here from level 3. It's my level 5, but treat this level 3, and looking to take price down for 2 or 3 levels. And that wraps up today's video. Please do me a favor there, hit the like button there, subscribe, and click the link in the description to our Telegram channel there, where we share setups, share ideas. I'd love to see what you guys are trading, how you're interpreting the system, what you're looking at for positions in terms of points of interest, maybe even level count, basically all things BTMM and day trading really. So just please join us there in the Telegram group, share your insights, and I'll see you guys in the next video.